I'll see what things still work with x11. Why's it got like 3 terminals open? Kill, gel. So yeah, I'm pretty sure x11 is from like 1987, which means certainly this is what operating systems from 30 years ago would have looked like if they had a desktop environment. How do I close that? Oh, do I have to kill that? There we go. PKG install. What can I install? W3M. Wait, no, I could just try a normal browser. No, I'm gonna do W3M. There we go. Yeah. W3M v google.com. Yes, okay. The internet, it works. Best games for freebsd. Right, let's see. It's Reddit. You know what, I'll open another terminal. No, I won't. Guess not. Xterm, there we go. And I'll have that for installing things. Okay, that's confusing. I'm just gonna try Linux games. I'm guessing they have in this. PKG install Warmux. Yes, 100%. Oh god, it's taking ages. Yes, that's a thing. Xterm again. I'll have Xeyes just to keep me company. I'm amazed this still works to like a reasonable extent. Oh, I forgot I was running Xeyes with that. And I'm not even typing into the right one. There we go. Isn't that so cool? Look, it's falling on a mouse pointer. True high tech. I wonder when this was made. If this was with the original. Okay, so it worked. Seem to remember there being an x11 calculator as well. It looked cool. Warmux. Oh my god, it's... Yes. Beautiful. I love this game. We're gonna be... Have they got freebsd person? Oh, they do. But I just went past them. Oh my god. I actually remember this. There we go. Then let's get talks. So it's BSD versus Linux, the ultimate duel of the whatever. What's my favorite one? Difficult, very difficult. We could do... I always like the Lego one. This is my most played one. Okay, I think that audio is really quiet. Oh, I know, no, it's not. It's just coming through my headphones, and I'm not wearing headphones. Pirates, let's do it. Let's heckin' do it. Welcome to my Let's Play channel. Okay. Yeah, I've seen that now. It's my turn. Oh god damn it. Oh, I should have shot the barrel. Still, it's basically dead though. Damn it. Hacker. He's using hacks, clearly. Oh wow, for me? So nice. Now, where are these rapscallions? Ah. Where? Okay, you know what? I think my demonstration's done. Yes, I do know how to play this game. I'm just very terrible at it. Let's see if I can get a browser working. It's a good browser. No. No, what should I try? I'll think of things. I'll have a look at what things I have on this. Maybe that will inspire me. Let's see. Oh, yeah, of course, it's the obvious one. PKG install super talks. Yes, I will proceed. Super talks. Okay, it's running full screen, which means it closed everything, but it does work. I think this is an older version, though. Yeah. That's a good thing, though. Oh yeah, this must be an ancient version. It plays a different sound. What the hell is up with that music? But I mean, it plays. It's just 2 GB RAM. It's just damn impressive. But yeah, I do like freebsd a lot. I don't use it because it's not got as much of a user base. You know? Which means there's not as much stuff around. You get things like this, super out of date. But I do like it. So I think more people should try it. Ka-chow. See my gaming moves? I used to play this game so much. Run, yeah, this is before they removed running. Hell yeah, I'll go in here. Look at that, beautiful. Anyway, I think I've maybe made this long enough. How long is the recording? Yeah, almost 20 minutes, Jesus Christ. I have like a lesson soon anyway. So, ka-chow. I think, Control F. I'm gonna go now, but yeah, FreeBSD, it's cool, it's easy to install, and I'd 100% recommend it to anyone who wants to try it. See ya.